What is up, you guys? Today we're making another video. My cousin right there. He's gonna make a video.
Yep. I'm gonna make a funny one.
He gonna be like Jeffy.
Are you recording this? Okay. Today I'm gonna show you how to dive in the pool. So face that way. I need to go to the bathroom.
Funny, huh, guys? Funny. What is this? It's a shit. What? It says 1,000 gallons of what? Of cocaine or what?
Guys, I'm better than ever.
What is this? 10,000 pounds of 10,000 gallons of what? Cocaine or what? Look at it, dude. So far, 1 minute only. Say something on giving up.
Wait, your mom says go chase the dog. All right, mom. Dog! I see a dog!
Alright, bye, crazy dude. Oh, gosh. Run for your lives!